them go? Yeah, they are. Go. He's waving you up.
Learn the course route.
Into the breach we go.
Oh, I don't have time to put the top down.
Just run it. We're cool. We'll get it down for the next one. Some drop. Yeah! Seems kind of slick out there, or is that just?
It does. Yes, it does.
Okay, I was gonna say I
was spinning.
I could feel it. That's when
I wasn't expecting to.
When I let out the yeehaw there, I was like, "Woo!" Because yeah, they turned loose, seemingly without a lot of effort, is what I'll say.
Let's get the top down.
10-4. We're up. Dropper.
One run.
That way.
All right, now we got the top down.
All right. Well, let's make an aerodynamic difference. We'll find out.
One run.
He's waving you up. Holy cow. Quite literally sending us. Here we go.
We'll be going right away.
It's fresh in your brain. Boom. Let's fly. Come on, girl. Dig, dig, dig. Woohoo. Come on.
What am I smelling?
Something's burning. Something is burning. It might be off the big track, but it smells like clutch or brakes.
If it's brakes, that's okay.
Yeah, it's totally. Waving you up. They are sending us fast. This is cool. I'm starting to see why you like this club.